Hello, my name is Skippysimon, and I'm in my underwear. When are we gonna learn? Some secrets just shouldn't be told. Anyway, time to eat food. I the what's it called? They got this place called Panda Express. And they done gave me a little shotgun on the side of what was this crap? Beijing beef. Because they give you can get like an entree, an appetizer, you can get a side. For your birthday, if you done signed up on the app, which I done did. And now I got me more food for the price of less food. That's my thing in life, is to get more food for the price of less food. But I love this food. Oh, food. Mmm. Mmm. I got the string bean chicken. Got a lot of string beans. I like string beans. Look at that. Hold on. I can't believe I just found this. I have a Chinese chicken piece that looks like the state of California. I'm going to put you there. I'm going to eat you later. You're a special piece. I don't like peppers. They give me gas. I like chicken. Chicken makes me happy. Even though the chicken's not happy. The chicken's dead. I thought about going vegan one time. Yeah, and then I stopped thinking about it. Like, I figure if you're vegan and you pass away, the maggots who will eat you surprisingly won't be vegan. I know it sounds crazy, but you're made of meat. Vegan? You ever think about that? Vegan? I will say this. Ooh, I'll say it a million times over. Vegan. Gotta say it. Vegan pussy is the best tasting pussy on the face of the planet. Fight me. Fight me. Fight me, you asshole. I love vegan pussy. Oh my god, dude. A million times over. My god, I would. Now, the problem with dating vegans is they're just, it's a one less common interest, shall we say. They do have some benefits, though. If you take a vegan to a wing cook-off, you can use their plate for your bones. Although, as I found out, vegans don't like wing cook-off. But they love Weird Al. And that's why we were at the wing cook-off in the first place. Because they had a wing cook-off. And Weird Al was performing. That was a crazy, crazy, crazy show. And Weird Al is punk as hell. My buddy Frogman got on stage. Myself, a bunch of my friends, we had all started a huge mosh pit at Weird Al. And it was amazing. Because I was living on this punk rock street called Chesterfield in Pittsburgh. And all the people that lived on the punk rock street were at the Weird Al show. Don't you know? Because we all had free tickets. That's one thing, man. The Pittsburgh punk community kicks ass. Shout out to everybody except Anti-Flag. Well, mostly Justin from Anti-Flag, you piece of shit. But now the Pittsburgh punk scene kicks ass. Whoa, look at that. That is a professional onion nugget. I gotta eat that. Look at that. I don't know if that's... What the hell is that? Like an onion nugget? Is that garlic? Is that what the fuck? Let's find out. Over lips, past the gums. Look out, stomach. Here it comes. Ow. Mm. That is a fat piece of onion. They put so much onion in this bitch. Alright. Oh my god. The amount of peppers. I always take the peppers and put them in this little doohickey. Yes, I painstakingly use my chopsticks so that I don't get no peppers in my Chinese food. I can't stand these things. They wreck me. I mean, see my I don't like the taste of them. I think that they add a certain degree of flavor, but I find their consistency to be quite disgusting. Not a fan. And then, like I said, these give me an intestinal wreckage that is just unique. Come on, you little piece of poop. Come on, don't be a jerk. Get with your friends. There we go. Sorry about this. I mean, they put in a good half pound of peppers or some shit. I don't know what the fuck. If it were summertime, this would be attracting flies in about 10 minutes. Let's put you right there. All right, we are pepper free. Now let's dig in. Ooh, look at that. Another big piece of veggie. That was cabbage. I love cabbage. Cabbages. All right. Mmm. You know what? Even though I get the exact same fucking meal every goddamn motherfucking time, somehow it makes me happy. And I put on 4 srirachas. Ah, yeah. Sriracha cha 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 cha. Turn up the heat. I was cleaning up and I found some Dave and Buster's coupons, but I don't know if I want to keep going back to Dave and Buster's. Not just because their prices have gone way through the roof, not just because they're completely nerfing all the machines, not just because I'm bored winning, because all I do is to win, because it's easy. Once you figure out the machines, it's like, it becomes second nature, and then it becomes boring. So I found all these coupons, like buy 100, get 100. But I don't know if I want to get any more. Look like a Yip Yip monster from Sesame Street. Should I do it again? Nope. Telephone. Yep. The spice is so nice. Uh-oh. Oh, okay. I thought it was another red pepper, but it turns out it was just a piece of onion smeared with sriracha. My tongue is on fire. And it feels good. Let's get one of these sugar chicken pieces. Mmm. 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 I'm putting these sticks up my nose. Panda Express. Fuck yeah. My parents never had Panda Express before. Then they tried it. They're like, this shit fucking sucks. Because they don't have that many Panda Expresses where they live. They have regular Chinese restaurants run by regular Chinese people. That's the one thing I can't stand about the West Coast. No General Tso's chicken. Where the fuck is General Tso? Oh yeah, orange chicken. But would orange chicken be able to lead men into battle? I ask you that. I'm impressed. I've been losing my appetite. Like, I mean, like once a day, but like I'll buy one thing and like make like 2 meals out of it, so I just can't eat. I'm just not that hungry anymore. It's weird. Also, I had to go to the emergency room at the VA hospital because I locked in place. I went to one of my therapy sessions. And then my back locked in place and I couldn't move it properly. So I had to go to the emergency room and have physical therapists beat the living shit out of me with baseball bats and pool noodles until I was better. I want to thank the Veterans Hospital for helping me. They're just great people. I love the Veterans Hospital. They have great French toast all day. Well, actually in the morning. Excuse me. But, what was I saying? Yeah, Veterans Hospital, they like fix me up good. Matter of fact, when I'm done here, I'm taking an Epsom salt bath just because as I'm talking to you, I am in pain. Pain. And I don't like being in pain. Speaking of pain, I'm going to the dentist tomorrow. Like, I'm so strange. Like, I love going to the doctor. I love going to the dentist. I don't know why. But I can't. The reason why I love going to the dentist is because I go to UCLA Dental School. They are phenomenal. They are inexpensive. They are fantastic. And they taught me how to take better care of my teeth. Because when I went in there, my choppers were horrible. Like, there was like stuff growing on them. I think I had like lakefront property over here. And no, my mouth was just I thought that brushing once or twice a day was enough. Turns out, no. Turns out, you need to spend about a good 5 minutes on your mouth every day, if not 10 minutes. Brushing, flossing, mouth washing. I use 2 different types of picks on my teeth. And the only calculus I have built up right now is I have a little right there. But I like going to the dentist just so they go, well, this one's easy. I like to make it easy on the kid dentists there. They are good people. And they taught me well. The thing I'm working on now, I work Oil pulling. It's this thing you do. Coconut oil. I do this maybe 2-3 times a week, where I take a couple tablespoons of coconut oil into my mouth. I swish it around for about 20 minutes. It's a pain in the ass, but the thing is, it kills off a lot of the bad bacteria that live in between your teeth and gums. Like, that's the one thing that I love that UCLA Dental School taught me, was gum health. I brush my gums more than I brush my teeth now. I angle it and I brush at the gum line with a rotary toothbrush, and like very gently too, because a lot of people don't realize that the more force you put on your teeth, the more your gums can recede. So I lightly put that brush on there and I just go around like this a few times. Of course, that's after I floss and all sort of stuff. I have a, what's it called? I have a water pick. I need to start using it. And my buddy taught me something. I want to see if it's true. He's been cleaning his bongs and his pipes for marijuana smoking. He's been cleaning them with a water pick, and they have been spotless. So I want to try that. Maybe make a video about it. Who knows? Figure something out. But anyway, I'm going to take a Epsom salt bath because I'm in pain. Now I'm going to get ready for my appointment tomorrow. I'm going to just go back to bed because that's all I'm good at. But in the meantime, I got California right there. California knows how to party. California. Oh, no, not California. I'm letting you know, YouTube. California is delicious. Fuck yeah. All right. That's all I can eat. It's time for me to go take a Epsom salt bath. Ooh, before we go, I got room for this stuff. I rarely ever, I have like so many of these stale from like from times that I didn't eat them. So I do this, like I break them in half and then I break them in half again. It's because I don't know, I look well. Here's my fourth tip. Be gentle with yourself. You're doing the best you can. This is obviously talking about my erectile dysfunction. How dare you, Panda Express? At least I wish good fortune on my penis. What other corporations doing that at 8:15 in the evening? All right. Stay awesome. Go to the dentist. Get your teeth checked out. And when in pain, take an Epsom salt bath. Also, they're great for when you're sick with food poisoning. Takes the poison out. It's really cool. But, all right. You stay awesome. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.